fellow monster foodies, welcome to Elmo's Pizza Kitchen. Please join us in welcoming straight from the foodie truck. Put your pots and pans together for Chef Cookie and Chef Gonger. Get over here. Oh, Cookie Monster, we're making pizzas, remember? That's why we're here at Elmo's Pizza Kitchen. And don't worry if you've never made a pizza before. That's why we are all here to teach you. Now, who can tell me what ingredients are in a cheese pizza? Anyone? Shout it out. First, we need the dough, right? We need the pizza sauce, and we need the cheese, like many of you have said. So, me and all my culinary friends are gonna bring out the pizza ingredients right now. And remember, don't eat your ingredients or start making your pizza until we've all reviewed the recipe as a group. Does that sound good? Yeah? Right. Oh, that was so funny. Yummy, right?
Make a cookie pizza.
No. You cannot have their pizza yet. No, Cookie Monster.
Still waiting on your pizzas. Alright. I've got one. I'll take one of your passes and I'll be right back with the next one.
Chef pass, please. Yep.
Thank you. And here is your second. And did they already collect your second pass? Kurt,
So sorry.
you need any more?
I'll be here.
What?
I'll be here.
Yeah? Pizza ingredients. Alright, great. So, now that everyone has their ingredients, as Chef Gonger always says, let's check the recipe and start making the pizza. So everybody, the first step is to take your pizza dough and set it on the center of your tray. Like this. Woo! Once you're done that step, raise your hand up nice and high so we know we can move on to the next step. Go! You good? Hands up. Nice. Now we're going to take our pizza sauce. We're going to put it in the center of our dough. Pour it out as much or as little as you would like. And then we're going to take our spoons here. Everyone have a spoon? A nice spread evenly throughout the dough. Ooh, it smells nice. Ooh, you want to help me? God, you're so good. How am I doing? Now again, we're going to raise our hands nice and high once you're finished that step. Good job. Done? I'm gonna take a look at all these pizzas. That's perfect. How are you guys doing over here? You're doing a little bit of cheese. Okay. Sprinkling it in nicely. Oh, thank you. Are these for me? Thank you. Oh, we got all the cheese on here. Yes. All right. Hands nice and high. Are we done? Now, the last step is to write your name on your card and your table number so that we know which pizza is yours before we throw them all in the oven. We're gonna throw it like that.
You guys can start with that.
All right, looks like we're wrapping up the last few pieces that we put in the oven.
I just think that's
You guys having fun so far? Making your pizza?
Yes!
Yeah, good. I think it turned out perfect. I'm hungry. Just thinking about that. Woo.
Just stand anywhere like that.
Oh, wait, wait. He looks like he's in here.
You're good.
Good? All right. Now, the last and most torturous step for any chef is to wait for the pizzas to be finished. But
Wait, it's time to wait when we make waiting fast. It's like a day to play until the waiting time.
yeah! And while we wait, I know the perfect game to play. Who here knows how to play hide and seek? Anyone? Yeah? Well, Cookie Monster, Gonger and I have a delicious cookie for you to try. But you're going to have to turn around, close your eyes while we all pick a place to hide it. How's that sound, everybody? Yeah? So turn around, Cookie. And now we're going to hide this cookie. Where should we hide it? Somewhere upstairs, maybe? How about we hide it in that graphic one there? Oh, Sarah, I think I'm going to hide the cookie under your hat. Ready? Everyone see where we put the cookie? Yeah? Great. Cookie! You're going to turn around now, and everybody, as Cookie's looking for the cookie that we just hid, say hop when we get closer, One more game called Chef Says. Who here has heard of Simon Says? Yeah, it's a fun game, right? Well, it's just like Simon Says. I'm going to say a random task. If I say Chef Says before the task, you do it and you're safe. If I don't say Chef Says, you're out. All right? You ready? Chef Says, wiggle your body. Yeah. Chef Says, wave your hands up to the sky. Yeah, Chef Says, make it down low. Now stop. Oh, okay. We got a good group in here. Chef Says, stop. Good job for the first round. Let's see. Chef Says, tap your toe. Chef Says, clap your hands. Yeah. Chef Says, pretend you're Cookie Monster. Oh, no. Chef Says, pretend you're Chef Gonger. Chef Says, laugh. All right, now stop. Wow, my goodness. Another round of applause. You guys are excellent. How are the pizzas looking? Looking all right? Guys, I'm running out of time. Chef Says, spin around if you can. You're in your chair. Nice. Chef Says, high five your mom or dad. Or your friend. Chef Says, pretend you're recording us on your iPhone. Oh, good. And stop. Y'all are too good. I can't stop you. Well, I got the signal. The pizzas are finally done. And we can take them out and enjoy them. Gonger, do you want to do the honor?
Oh boy.
Oh wow, they look really sweet.
Bob.
Not yet, Cookie Monster. These are the guests. So you'll have yours later.
Oh, how they turn out. Oh. These look great. Oh. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. You have been such a fun